It's our first meal in Japan. We just arrived in Osaka. And it's a noodle store. You put your money in the machine, and then you get a ticket, and then they make noodles for you. We're at Dotonbori in Osaka. We're going to check out the nightlife. Places here rarely close. A lot of shops here are open 24 hours a day. Yesterday we came here when it was 2 AM in the morning. And there were still a lot of places open. We're going to go and eat something. Hands on TV. Big screen TV. Your face yellow, I can't see you. I can't see you. Yeah, that's right. Cool. A lot of bicycles here. That's how they get around.